just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
Hey beauty babes, what is up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I did this really cute bumblebee makeup look. I think that this is super fun and fresh. I literally have never used the color yellow on my eyes before. I know, surprising. I was very surprised about that too. I just really wanted to experiment with it again because I've never used yellow. I really wanted to try using yellow and I think it looks pretty good. Like, I like it. I'm vibing with it. I'm vibing with it. Bumblebee. I need to stop doing that because no, we're not doing that else. We're not making music here. You guys would like to achieve this look because it's really cute, or just watch it because it's really satisfying, then just keep on watching. Wait, is it this way or this way? That is not the right brush. Wait a minute. Okay guys, obviously the first thing I am doing, what a shock, is pulling out my Hoola Benefit bronzer and obviously just doing my bronzer. That was some interesting sound effects, that's for sure. Okay, so really don't know what I'm doing again. I always feel like my makeup turns out better when I just kind of free it. Like, you know, I don't like practice beforehand, so I'm probably gonna start doing that from now on because it's just more fun too. Okay, so I'm gonna be pulling out the Maddie Ziegler Imagination palette and I'm just gonna be going into the color Like Butter. Put that all over my crease. I just forgot how English works and words because that happens to me way too often. I don't know why I wanted to do this look. I just like felt like using yellow eyeshadow because I was like, you know what? I've never used yellow eyeshadow before, so let's just see if it's passes the vibe check. And so far I kind of like it, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, and I'm gonna be going into that same obviously color and putting that on my eyelid now. I think I'm gonna do a double cut crease. What a shock. Allison doing a double cut crease? I didn't see that one coming because it's not like I ever do those. What? I'm sorry, I will try to do non-double cut creases, but it's just, I don't know, they're so fun and I like them. Okay, don't judge me. Okay, so far I'm digging this color. I like it. Okay, we're doing good. Okay, and then now I'm gonna go into the color Angel and put that on my brow bone. We are up close and personal now. Okay, so now I'm pulling out my NYX Vivid Brights Professional Liquid Eyeliner. And this is in the color Vivid Halo. And I'm just gonna be doing like a sketch of a bee. I kind of just want to see the vibe of this. If the color is too similar to the eyeshadow, I can always go over it with like a gold or something. But yeah, I'm just gonna be drawing the shape of a bee and I'm gonna be doing it right here. And yeah, it's hopefully gonna look good. We're kind of praying here. Okay, that turned out way better than I thought it was going to go, not gonna lie. We're gonna make it a bumblebee because those are the ones that are nice, not the regular ones. Those ones are kind of rude and like sting you. We don't like them. I mean, I suppose we do like them because they're a part of nature and they give us honey, which helps us live. But like, you know, can you tell I'm nervous because I talk a lot when... Never mind, I just talk a lot in general. Actually, you know what, we're gonna do the wings first because we might as well. So now I'm pulling out obviously my NYX Professionals Liquid Eyeliner in the color White and I'm gonna be drawing the wings and praying that it doesn't turn out bad. Oh my god. Well, it doesn't look like a bee yet, but I think we're getting close. I don't know, I feel like it looks bad now. Okay, wait. Okay, now I'm gonna take out my NYX Professionals. That is the point eyeliner in the color Hella Fine. We're gonna be outlining the bee and doing like the stripes and stuff. So I'm gonna start with the stripes. Just do them down. Okay, this one decided not to work, so we're gonna move on to plan B. Grab out the second one. The one also is not working. First line down. Okay, it looks cute so far. Okay, okay. Oh, it looks cute. Oh my god, it looks so cute. Okay, okay, now I'm gonna do the eyes, a little dot. And I added a smile because it is happy, obviously. And then now I'm gonna outline the wings. This is the part that I'm terrified for. And then we gotta add a little stinger. Perfect. Okay, so far looking actually pretty cute. Liking it. It exists. It's smiling. Guys, it's happy. Oh my god, this is so cute. Wait. Oh, this is so cute. I did a bee, guys. I feel like I'm way too excited. Like, y'all are just on your screen just like, we get it, Allison. You drew a bee. No one gives a crap. But I'm proud of myself, so you know what? Screw you. You should be happy for me. Now that the bee is done, I'm gonna draw the little like dotted like lines. Like the doot doot. I'm not even gonna try to explain it because we know I suck. So I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna draw it, and then I'm gonna do a loop and then have it come down. If you're confused, obviously just watch me do it because I suck at explaining things. And yeah, I'm gonna go right into it. If it lets me. The eyeliner is just... I really need to throw these eyeliners out. Why can't I open things? Okay. Oh my god, it looks so cute! I'm so sorry, I'm so excited. Oh my god! Wait, this is amazing! So now what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be doing regular eyeliner, obviously no wing. I'm a bumblebee. Bumblebee. I'm a bumblebee. Welcome to Alice and Diane. This is the channel where we make up really weird, odd music that is actually doesn't exist and sounds like crap, but we use it anyway because we have nothing better to do with our lives. I'm a bumblebee. I'm a bumblebee. I think I'm gonna zoom back out. That's zooming in, Allison. That's not zooming out. There we go. What a shock, guys. I am pulling out my NYX Professionals eye pencil in the color Pure White, and I'm putting that on my waterline. Okay, I'm pulling out my whatever that was, it was not English. Oh my gosh. Anyways, I'm pulling out my Maddie Ziegler Imagination palette, and I'm going to be going into the color, if I could open it, ASAP, and I'm going to be putting that under my eye on the outer corner, and I'm probably going to go about 50% of the way. Also, side note, while we're like getting into the tea here, I've been watching the show on Netflix called Next in Fashion. If you love fashion, if you love sewing, anything, highly recommend. It's like Project Runway. It's so good. I like literally have been so obsessed with it. I love those types of shows like this, like where they do sewing. I know there's like a one with beauty where they do makeup. I watch that with my grandma all the time whenever I'd go over there. So yeah, I love you to pieces, grandma. You guys won't get that, but she always says that to my sisters and I. She's always like, I love you to pieces. So I said it back. Anyways, next I'm going into the color Like Butter again, and I'm just gonna be putting that the rest of the way underneath my eye. Okay, cute. And I think just to give it that little pop, I'm gonna be pulling out my, it's gonna be hard for me to say, probably, Too Faced Melted Matte Liquefied Eyeshadow in the color Sweet Spot. I said it and I didn't screw it up. I'm so proud of myself. And I'm just gonna be putting this on top of the color Like Butter that is on my under eye. And I'm gonna be dabbing it just a little bit on the top part of my eye. I'm not gonna be putting too much, just to give it that little glitter factor, just on my eyeball, obviously, and inside the double cut crease. And it's a little bumblebee. I'm a bumblebee. There I go again, making up songs that don't exist. Oh my gosh, I need to stop. I'll be right back. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, and we will come back for everything else. I am so excited. Oh my gosh. After a fat minute of me listening to the Lemonade Mouth soundtrack, because I love Lemonade Mouth. I'm sorry, I do. Anyways, I finally finished the other eye. I think it looks really good. I popped on some lashes as well, and they look super cute if I do say so myself. I am so happy with this. I think it's a really cute look, and I'm excited. So yeah, we are gonna move on, and the first thing we'll be doing is grabbing out a highlighter. So, what a shock. I'm going into my Becca highlighter, and this is in the color, if I could find it, Pearl. I'm also gonna be putting this on the inner corner of my eye just to like give it a little pop. But yeah, I love this freaking highlighter. It's time for mascara, and I'm pulling out my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I am taking a break from the Glossier. Still love Glossier though. Glossier mascara is amazing. These are my two favorites. Gotta turn the world in, determine me. Now I'm going to my Maddie and Morphe Cheap and Lip Mousse, and this is in the color Pinky Swear. I just kind of want to do like very light colors because obviously it's like a yellow look, so you gotta be a little careful. I don't know if I'm gonna do like a nude for the lip or if I'm gonna do like a light brown, kind of in the middle with that. I like this stuff so much. It's like just, it makes you look like really cute and blushy. I don't know, I'm kind of leaning more towards the darker side. I don't know, I feel like that'd be cuter. Okay, obviously now we're moving on to lips, so I'm gonna be pulling out my ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip, and this is in the color, if I could find it. Yeah, this is in the color Chili, and I'm gonna be putting this on my lip. And now that we have that on, it's a little bit too dark, I think, for the look, so I'm gonna be pulling out my Too Faced Melted Matte Metallic Liquefied Lipstick in the color Faking It and putting this on top and blending them together just to give it a little bit of a lighter touch. I think that looks so cute. Yeah, I always mix these two together. Okay, beauty babes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any video requests, comment them down below, and make sure to check out my last video, which is going to be playing at the end of this video, obviously in the end card, and it is also linked down below along with the subscribe button, which is also in the end card. You guys should definitely subscribe to my channel because I do a lot of really fun looks like these, and I don't know, I just think they're really entertaining and fun to do. So yeah, I think that is all I have to say. I'm really happy with how it turned out. So yeah, bye bye beauty babes, love you. Stay safe, happy, and be healthy. Be healthy. Get it? Because like it's yeah, no.
Doing it all night, all summer. Doing it the way I wanna. Yeah, I'ma dance my heart out till the dawn, but I won't be done when morning comes. Doing it all night, all summer. Gonna spend it like no other.